Find the variance of the number obtained by tossing a single four-sided die. So to start, let's set up a table. Well, we need to figure out what our PDF is. Well, to toss a single four-sided die, each number that you get comes up with a probability of 1/4. So you have a 1/4 here, a 1/4 here, a 1/4 here, and a 1/4 here. The next thing we need to do is we need to figure out what the expected value is. Well, the expected value is going to be 1 times 1/4 plus 2 times 1/4 and so on. And that will give us 10/4, which is 5/2. To figure out what the variance is, we now need to go and figure out what x squared is for each value of little x. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16. So, putting that together, we get 1 times 1/4 plus 4 times 1/4 plus 9 times 1/4 plus 16 times 1/4 equals 30/4. And so, using the second formula for variance, we get that the variance of x is 30/4 minus 5/2 squared, which is 5/4 or 1.25. Now you could have also used the first formula and proceeded in a way similar to the, I think it was example 2 that we did.